Alright, great to see you guys once again. Today we are going to be looking at the Cardano versus Bitcoin chart. I will start at the longest time frame. As you guys know, this is our preferred way of analyzing the cryptocurrency charts. As you can see, this yearly candle is starting to look amazing. It seems like it could close above the highs of January 2017. And if this happens, then the price of Cardano might even go bullish or might even go ballistic after the yearly close. Keep in mind, this is still 4 months and 5 days away, so currently not too much value. From the 6-month candle, we can see that the last half year candle was so big that it completely obliterated all the other candles except for July and January 2018 and July 2017. Going back to the smaller time frames, we can see that the 3-month candle or the quarterly candle has shown us a decent increase. We saw a big bullish engulfing candle in April, followed up by a big bullish engulfing candle in January and then in April as well. And now it seems like July will be one of those big green candles as well. If we close above the around 5,200 zone, then we could have a new all-time high closure on the 3-month time frame, which is very, very positive. Alright you guys, today it is the 27th of August and things are starting to get interesting right now. As you can see, the monthly candle is showing us a huge bullish engulfing candle. Just like what we saw at the quarterly candle, if we close above about around the 5250 area, then the sky is the limit. Then we will probably be going to look for a new all-time high. Well, I will update you guys on next Monday because then the monthly will conclude. So for now we will be focusing on the weekly time frame. As you guys can see, I have also drawn the longer term trend for Cardano. As you can see, we have made the low around 500 sats. We then broke up to the first high and made a higher low. I will show it to you guys a little bit better. So we had the low right here. We made a high, which was not yet a higher high, but it was already a high, followed by a higher low on the long time frames. So low, high, higher low, followed up by breaking our resistance zone, which was located at this area and at this area. So we broke through both resistance zones to make a new higher high and to retest that zone, because that zone was a really important one. So this was also a perfect support resistance flip from the weekly time frame. From this point, we had another amazing breakthrough through the last resistance area, which can be seen around this zone, to break through and to fall back towards this support zone. So basically making a support resistance flip on the 3000 level. After we touched that zone, it was just going ballistic. This could be indicated as a higher low, and we are now currently seeing a higher high in the making. However, do keep in mind that we are currently approaching, or we are currently at the all-time high in Bitcoin value, at least for the weekly close. So for you guys, something to watch. If we are going to be breaking this weekly all-time high with a closure above, I would say 6,100, then even next week could be better than the last few weeks. This usually, I wouldn't say it's not the case, but this is something to keep in mind. One of the perfect things that we would like to see is just like we saw here, make a higher low, find support resistance flip, find a support resistance flip, and here breaking out, finding a support resistance flip. So the very best thing, or a conservative position to take, in my opinion, would be to start looking at long positions in the 5,000 area, because we will probably not break it at once. If we do, be sure to open your positions. But if we have a fallback, we would like to see a higher low being made pretty much around the 5,000 area before trying the 6,000 area once again. So I hope you guys appreciated this short cryptocurrency price update. This time we looked at Cardano versus Bitcoin and things are starting to look amazing. As soon as we have broken this all-time high, as soon as we close above, let's say 6,100, 6,200, we can expect a lot more coming from Cardano. So make sure to be strapped in and ready for the ride, and let's go, and we will see you in the next video where we will be discussing this monthly close, which is due in about 4 days.